Welcome to my channel. Children, already you have studied about natural numbers. You know, natural numbers are the counting numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 100, 200, 101. It is continuous. So here smallest whole number is 1 and there is no biggest natural number since the numbers are infinite. Dot 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 means continuous. So natural numbers are called counting numbers with the smallest natural number is 1 and there is no biggest natural number since the numbers are infinite. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are all natural numbers along with 0. Okay. So 0 is the smallest whole number. The whole number we are writing in the like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it is in continuous form. So here smallest whole number is 0 and there is no biggest whole number since the numbers are infinite. Now integers. Integers are a group of positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. These are called integers. Again, what is integers? Integers are the group of positive numbers, negative numbers along with 0. These are known as the integers. Now in class 6 already have studied about addition and subtraction of integers. Just we will recall that. Already you know positive the sign will be positive, negative the sign negative, one positive one negative or one positive the sign is negative. For example, if I am taking the addition 2 plus 4 you know 6 but it is given 2 plus minus 4. Now here see the sign is continuous, so I will write minus 2 minus 4. Okay, so minus 2 minus 4 minus what we will do here? Plus. Okay, so plus minus plus minus plus minus. So minus what we will do here? Plus. So 2 plus 4 it is 6 and since negative the here both are negative, so sign will be also negative. Without sign we have to see which number is bigger. 4 is carrying the negative sign. Here both are negative, so we will do addition but the sign will be negative. Okay, so this was about addition. Now subtraction, if you are doing this, what we have done? Addition. If we are doing subtraction, okay, for example 6 plus I will take subtraction, so minus here by mistake. Okay, 6 minus 2, for example, I have written. So that is, here sign is continuous. So first we will put the sign 6 plus 2. So answer is 8. Okay. So 6 minus 2. So continuous sign is there. So 6 it will be plus sign and the sum will be means 6 plus 2 it is 8. So here when the sign is continuation, addition and subtraction, first we have to put the sign, okay, and then you have to do the plus minus, so whatever it is there you have to do. So this was about the addition and subtraction of integers. Now our lesson name is multiplication and division of integers. So once again I will repeat, if you are remembering this, plus the sign will be plus, minus it is plus minus or minus plus it is minus. This you have to remember always. So we will proceed for multiplication and division of integers. If you see multiplication and division of integers, so again I am just recalling that plus that is plus means positive number multiplied with positive number you will get positive number. Negative number multiplied with negative you will get positive number. One positive and one negative number, when we are doing multiplication we will get negative number, and one negative number multiplied with positive number, again you will get the negative number. So from now we know that textbook I am reading. The product of two positive integer is a positive integer. The product of one positive and one negative integer is a negative integer. The product of two negative integer is a positive integer. So positive number multiplied with positive number is equal to positive number. Positive number multiplied with negative number is equal to negative number. Negative number multiplied with positive number is equal to negative number, and negative number multiplied with negative number is the positive number. Okay, so we will take some example. For example, 6 multiplied with 6, both are positive, so 6 6 are 36 and the sign will be positive. Positive numbers we are not showing with the symbol. Okay, if it is given negative 6 multiplied with negative 1, for example, 6 ones are 6, negative negative, the sign will be positive, so I will write like this 6. Okay, 6 multiplied with 6, positive into positive, the number will be positive. So 6 6 are 36. Both are negative. So 6 ones are 6. Negative negative, the number will be positive. Now if I am taking, now here one negative and one positive I have taken. So 6 2s are 12. But if you see integer, one is negative and one is positive. So negative positive, the sign will be negative. So in this way we will proceed. So let us solve the exercise, that is practice set 8. Now see, 5 7s are 35. Negative negative, the sign will be positive. Positive we are not showing the symbol. Okay, now 9 6 are. So see, one negative, one positive. So the sign will be negative. So what is the answer? 9 6 are 54. Now here if you see, positive multiplied with negative number. So one positive, one negative, the sign will be negative. So 9 4s are 36. So answer will be negative 36. Now here you see 8 multiplied with means positive number multiplied with negative number. So the sign will be negative number, and 8 7s are, it is 56. Okay. Now if you see here, negative negative means the sign will be positive. So 124 into 1, the number is 124. Now if you see 12, negative 12 multiplied with negative 7. So here negative negative means the sign will be positive, and 12 7s it is 84. Now if you see here, negative 6 multiplied with negative 7, both are negative, so answer will be positive. 63 into 7, if you will multiply, you will get 441 positive. Okay. Now if you see this next one, negative 7 multiplied with 15. Okay, so one negative, one positive, so sign will be negative. Now 15 7s are 105. Okay, so once again I will recap. Negative number multiplied with negative, the answer will be positive. Okay, so one negative and one positive number multiplication we are doing, so the sign will be negative. Okay, and both are negative, then we will get the sign positive. So again, if we will recall, so positive number multiplied with positive number, you will get positive number. Negative number multiplied with negative number, you will get positive number. One positive number multiplied with negative number, you will get negative number. Both the meaning is same. Positive number multiplied with negative, or negative number multiplied with positive, you will get the negative number. So this was about the multiplication. Now division. Division also the method is same, that positive number, when positive number is divided by positive number, you will get the your quotient will be positive. If both are negative number is divided with negative number, again you will get the quotient positive. If one positive number and divided with the negative number, again you will get the negative quotient. Okay. And if negative number is divided with the positive number, the quotient will be, means whatever quotient is there along with the negative sign. So let us recall from the textbook now. division of integers it is given. Okay, for example, 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, you will get the answer 3. 5 divided by 3, you will get, we will show in the fraction 5 divided by 3. So how you will convert, write that 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. We will write whole, means mixed numeral we will write. So that it is very easy to show on the number line. Can you see this number line? So here they have shown this. If we want to show this 5 by 3 on the number line, so 5 by 3 is written 1 plus 2 by 3, means it is 1 2 by 3. Okay. So here they have shown one example. On the number line, we can show negative integers on the left hand side of the 0. We can show parts of integer also in the same way. So positive integers fraction we will show on the right hand side, because right hand side the positive numbers are there and left hand side the negative numbers are there. Okay. So here the numbers negative 5 by 2, negative 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 are shown on the number line. So if you see here 0, 1, since it is 2, so in the middle it is there 3 by 2. Then 2, then next is 5 by 2. So and opposite of that will be 3 by 2, opposite will be negative 3 by 2, 5 by 2 opposite is negative 5 by 2. Okay, so here you know that negative 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, they are opposite to each other. 3 by 2 and negative 3 by 2, again they are opposite to each other. 5 by 2 and negative 5 by 2 and 5 by 2, again they are to the opposite side of the number line. Okay, that is half plus negative half, that the value will be 0. Same numbers with opposite sign, the values are always 0. Pairs of opposite numbers are also called pairs of additive inverse numbers. We have seen that negative 1 multiplied with negative number is equal to 1. That means negative, the sign will be positive, and 1 into 1, it is 1. If the two sides of the equations are divided by negative 1, we get the quotient negative 1, that is 1 divided by negative 1. Therefore, the quotient of the division 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1, because 1 is positive and next is negative. So positive, negative, the sign will be negative. Hence we see that negative multiplied with negative 1 is equal to, how we will write, 6 multiplied with 1 by negative 1, that is 6 by negative 1. Okay. So divide, and to divide any positive integer by a negative integer, you will get the answer in negative. To divide any negative integer by a negative integer, you will get the positive number. When one integer is divided by another non-zero integer, it is customary to write the denominator of the quotient as a positive integer. For example, 7 divided by negative 2, so we will write as negative 7 by 2, means negative should be written in the numerator. Same thing, now both are negative, then it will become positive. Now, just we will recall what we are. The rules of division of integers are like the rules of multiplication of integers. It is same. We cannot divide any number by 0. Okay. The quotient of two positive integer is a positive number. So, positive, positive, positive. The quotient of two negative integer is a positive number. Negative divided by negative, you will get positive number. The quotient of a positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative number. So we will do the practice set 9 now. So here first question it is given negative 96 divided by 16. So how we will write? Negative 96 divided by 16. So see, 96, here it is negative sign. Okay, negative number divided by a positive number. So sign we will get negative. Now you know 16 6 are 96. So answer is negative 6. Okay. Now next one. It is given 98 divided by negative 28. So see, positive number divided by negative. So negative sign always we are writing in the numerator. So it will be same thing, only we have to write in the numerator. So one negative number divided by positive. So the sign will be negative. So both are divisible by which number? 14. Okay. So 14 sevens are 98. So we will get negative 7 and okay. Negative 7 and 14 twos are 28. Now next it is given negative 51 divided by 68. Okay. So negative 51. Both are multiply. Means which table it comes? 17. 17 threes are 51 and 17 fours are 68. So answer is negative 3 by 4. Here next it is given 38 divided by negative 57. So we will write negative 38 by 57. When it is given in this form, so always the negative sign we are writing in the numerator. So both are divisible by which number? 19. 19 twos are 38. So negative 2 it will come, and 19 threes are 57. Okay. Now next it is given negative 85 divided by 20. So both are divisible by which number? 5. Okay. So 5, 17s are 85, negative sign is there, so negative, and 5 fours are 20. Okay. So answer is negative 17 by 4. Now next it is given negative 150 by negative 25. So negative negative, the sign will be positive. So both is divisible by which number? 25. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 six are 150. Okay. Now here next it is given 100 divided by 60. So 0 0 is common, cut it. So 10 by 6. Now both are divisible by which number? 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. So answer is 5 by 3. Now next it is given 9 divided by negative 54. So this is a denominator negative is there. So we will write in the numerator. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 6 are 54. Negative divided by positive. So sign will be negative. Okay. Now next it is given 9th one. That is equal to 78 divided by 65. Both are positive. So sign will be positive. So both are divisible by 13. 13 6 are 78 and 13 5 are 65. Now next 10th it is given negative 5 divided by negative 315. Negative negative will be get means negative negative positive. So your answer will be positive. So 5 ones are 5. If you are dividing by 5, you will get 63. Okay, so answer is 1 by 63. Now here it is given question number 2. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 by 5. So we can write 24 by 5 when both are multiplied with 2. So 24 twos are 48 and 5 by 2 is 10. If you are dividing by 2, again you will get 24 by 5. Okay. Now next if I am writing 24 by 5 multiplied with 3. So 24 threes are 72. Okay. And 5 threes are 50. So again, if you are dividing 72 by 15, both are divided by 3, you will get 24 by 5. Okay. Now, next, if I am taking 24 by 5 multiplied with 4. So, 24 into 4, it is 96 and 5 fours are 20. So again, if you are dividing by 4, you will get 24 by 5. Now next, if I am taking 10, we will take multiplied with 10. So it is 240 by 50. 0 got cancelled. So again 20. Okay. So this all again dividing by 2, you will get 20. So what are the numbers? 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional, write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 by 5. So numbers we will get fractional form 48 by 10, 72 by 15, 96 by 20, 24 by 5, and so on. Many others we will get. Okay. Now next question, it is given question number 3. Write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be negative 5 by 7. Okay. So again what we will do? The same way. Negative 5 by 7 it is given. So multiply with 2. Okay. So 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14, negative, positive, negative. Again, if I am taking next number 5 by 7 multiplied with 3, I am taking. So you know 5 3s are 15, negative, positive, negative, and 7 3s are 21. Now next, if I am taking multiplied with 4, 5 4s are 20 and 7 4s are 28. Again, this you are dividing by 2, you will get negative 5 by 7. Negative 10 by 14, if you are dividing by 2, you will get negative 5 by 7. Negative 15 by 21 again divided by 3, you will get negative 5 by 7. And negative 20 by 28 again dividing by 4, you will get negative 5 by 7. And next I am taking 5 by 7. 10 I am taking. So it is easy. 5 10s are negative, negative, positive, negative. Okay, so C 0 0 got cancelled. You got again negative 5 by 7. So again dividing by that number, you will get this. So negative 10 by 14, negative 15 by 21, negative 20 by 28, and negative 50 by 70 are the fractional form of, are the fractions. Again we will get in the simplest form, negative 5 by 7. Next question. That is question number 4. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. Choose only 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry out the divisions with the with these numbers. So we have to make the pairs. See the numbers which are given in the ponds are negative 13, negative 27, negative 24, plus 9, negative 15, positive 41, plus 12, plus 13, negative 18, negative 8, negative 28, negative 37. So we will make the multiplication pairs first. See, negative 15 is given, so I will take negative 15. And next I am taking the positive 9. Okay. Positive 9 I am not showing with the, because positive numbers without symbol. So 15 9s it is 135. Negative, positive, the sign will be negative. Next number, if I am taking negative 15 multiplied with negative 8. Okay. So 15 8s are 120, and negative, the sign will be positive. If I am taking the next number 12, positive 12 it is given here. So positive 12 multiplied with negative 8. So 12 8s are 96. Positive, negative, the sign will be negative. And next, if I am taking 12 multiplied with 9, so both are positive, you will get positive. 12 9s are 108. Okay, so we will just negative, positive, negative number multiplied with positive number, you will get negative number. Okay, negative number multiplied with negative number, you will get positive number. One positive and one negative number, the product is negative. Now we will do the division pair. So I am taking negative 24 divided by negative 8. Okay, so 24 divided by negative 8. So negative, the sign will be positive. So 8 3s are 24. So answer is 3. Next number, if I am taking negative 27 divided by 9. So here negative 27 divided by 9. So negative number divided by positive, the sign will be negative, and 9 3s are 27. So our answer is negative 3. Next, if I am taking negative 24 divided by 12. So negative 24 divided by 12, negative positive, the sign will be negative, and 12 2s are 24. So negative 2. Next number, if I am taking 15, negative 15 divided by negative 18. Okay, so we will get the fraction 5 by 6. I will show here 15 divided negative negative, the sign will be positive, and you know 5 3s are 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. So answer is positive. Just I will recall, negative number divided by negative number, the answer is positive. Negative number divided by positive number, thus we will get the negative number, and one negative number divided by the positive number, you will get the negative number, and both are negative number divided by negative number, you will get the positive number or positive fraction. Okay children, so here I have completed lesson number 2. Next lesson we will see in the next video.